How to get TikTok followers. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get TikTok followers. Now one of the most essential ways to get TikTok followers is to increase views on your videos. Now how you can increase views on your videos? Now to do so, what you can do is increase your video quality, upload quality contents and upload videos with variety quality. Now to do so, you can upload video that you have already edited from other platforms, and you can always capture videos from other equipments and then edit it with much quality equipments and then upload it on TikTok. What you can do is open up TikTok. Once you edit it, simply tap on plus icon here and then tap on upload option, and here you'll get the option to upload photos or videos. So upload video, good video with good contents with good quality. So this way you can get more views, and the more views means more videos or more followers. So the other way is always make videos on trending songs and sounds. Now as you know, there are various songs trending every week, every day on TikTok. So what you want to do is jump from time to time and jump to various songs depending on the trending time. So make sure you are always on trending. So this is the way you can get more views. And the other way is using trending hashtags on your videos while you upload them. Use trending hashtags and make sure you upload quality content and use hashtags accordingly, and trending hashtags can get you higher views. And make sure to create duet and stitch, and make sure to create contents that others can duet or do stitches as well. So this way you can get TikTok followers and increase them. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.